The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, southeastern Dearborn County, northern Boone County, western Hamilton County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, southeastern Dearborn County, northern Boone County, western Hamilton County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Warsaw, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Harrison, North College Hill, Cheviot, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Rising Sun, Bright, Hidden Valley, Burlington, Oak Brook, Cleves, Shawnee, Taylor Creek, Bridgetown, Miami Heights, Dry Ridge, Blue Jay and Mac. This includes I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 3 and 17. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mason County, Robertson County, Bracken County, southeastern Pendleton County, southeastern Claremont County, Brown County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cynthiana, moving northeast at 80 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Maysville, Georgetown, Mount Orab, Ripley, Aberdeen, Augusta, Sardinia, Felicity, Brooksville, Decatur, Russellville, Hammersville, Mount Olivet, Dover, Higginsport, Germantown, Shiloh, Browning Corner, Bradford and Stonewall. Central Nelson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Marion County in central Kentucky, southwestern Washington County in central Kentucky, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles south of Bardstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Springfield, Loretto, Renwick, St. Francis, Burke Springs, Gethsemane, Dan, Riddletown, Narings, and Bear Wallow. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Pluto.